Hoes on my dick, cause they know I'm the man. Hoes on VIP. Unfortunately, I got 100 too. Still dead.
Hi, yo, what up? This is your boy Mike, you already know, with another video. I'm gonna be building a little box for 4 6.5 from Walmart Pioneer, and I'm gonna be pairing them up with the Walmart 4-channel amplifier. So stay tuned for it. And before all, I want to thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers, man. For reals, I've never thought I would hit 1,000 subscribers, and stay tuned for it. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, cause you already know. And again, with the real world shit, full mitts and highs from Walmart, cause you already know, on a budget, you already know, in the street and in the apartment. All right, guys, but they didn't have 6.5s. These are 5 1/4. But fuck it, with a good tuning and with a good amp, it's gonna sound good. Now, I saw a video on YouTube. This amp putting almost close to 1,000 watts clamped power. So you can get full mids and highs for under $300. I just got extra wire. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing the box now. All right, guys, there it is. Maple wood and red oak scrap wood I had already having wired up, 4 ohms. There's the wiring. Now I'm gonna install the subs, the amp. Hey, yo, what's up? This is your boy Mike, you already know. Here it is, a demo cut. I had some trouble with my head unit because it only had a pair of RCAs. I got a Pioneer touchscreen and stuff. I still need to order the dash kit, but I had to install it to give you guys a demo, man. You already know. And what's it called? Under $300, man. Under $300 at Walmart. So there it is. I redid my trunk. I bought this on Amazon, and there it is, a Pioneer, man. There it is. It is no joke. 5 1/4. Now let's crank it up. Fuck it. Loud and clear. 12,000 watts clean.
Para ese familia y para ese boga y para el pato la pa' mar en mar.
on my dick, cause they know I'm the man. I'm in the VIP cause I'm very important. Unfortunately, I see some niggas I can't stand. So I step to them suckers in front of them like I should. We can settle this now, we can settle